Kini rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulah pelipat ba ya ke Block Integrated Development Complex BIDC amai rang CNRD Block. Bat kentiu kerdan kishinat Aijing Sumar jong ke Tirot Singh Memorial Hospital dibentuk ya ke Sick Newborn Care Unit, ke Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, ke Adult Intensive Care Unit, bat ke High Dependency Unit. Yang makin kelan gila Aijing Sumar katahan kerang beginong pangkin membentang syuk banit Pak Sumar Shiwe Pak Bijakan. Agaknya kejelang ya dan lang Menteri Berkini Ketenat CNRD Uti Mondal, Kementeri Ketenat Kakot Kakia Dr. Amperin Lengdo, Menteri Berkini Ketenat Sports Ubak Syaklir Warjeri, MLA Kamairang Ubak Met Bak Lengdo Bat Kibai-Kibai. Agaknya kejelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma Ulang Baga Sorkar Kakot Jengmud, Ban Ai Kejeng Syekri Kebakongsan Bat Kebayajan Bat Upat Ba. Ulang Bahai Kini Hinyau Sinam ke Sorkar Jela Kelawan Rak Bon Ki Kampenroy, Bagi Sorkar Kanteno ke Office Betamai, Jong Deputy Commissioner Amairang Bat Kibai-Kibai.
Kadang kejingang note ke crowd na kabenta ke district banyo yang nak kejong ke civil hospital. Pat ngakwa pan pensyai hang ni. Baka ni ke hospital ke bapiju khot it ban ainam yu kla ko wat. Ba o Tirot Singh menta kalau sedang ban kiu pat kalau sedang ban ai ke syakri ke bapura ke bapaka. Na kabenta omtang ke district Jongfi Henry kibai ki blocks ki shnong ki thau ki bamarjan ne ki bayad ganti na kane ke surappa ka bapiyo I na padeng kane ke district ke Jongfi na ai pi kita kinong yalam jong kane kathan ka kulam bangin persyangkat pala ban pergiu ya kani ke Tirot Singh Memorial Hospital ke Jongfi bat banang sna bat banang tei shushu ban pelong ya ka ke civil hospital ka kraw ha kani ka thani ka jing ai jing sumar ya ki khlong ki barit kalalong ka benta ka batu nong bahana ka benta Jongfi ki basyong shakini ki thani nrai mentak sni kat sau tuli kecing tiap pinyo hakata kecaka ai sumar yaki kelong badang syukha pinyo kat sau tuli kecing tiap Tirot Singh Memorial Hospital kaladon lupa ki modular OTs kaladon lupa ki facilities ki cakas bu ya kesnam ke blood storage kene ketai ki ba la nong keu la nong bha nrai mentak asni ya kitu kikne kiba angnot bat kiba khuslai habalatip ba pide kita kiba armet kiba long kham kerpang menta phila ba phinyo ya kata ka jing ai ka jongi shakapta ki khon ki jongphi ki bale si ndakha ki don hapdeng ka jing pang bakra kata kecing sumar kerpang ya kita kon ki bedang suka ke pediatric ICU ka juday ka way ka benta ka bakraw ha ka bangiyo I ka jingbu nong man bangi shim ya ka review ban I Dr. Timothy ban ka team ka jong I ban mi das no tenat shibon ba mentakas ni kane ko hospital kalala bakan ai saya kita ki jingyaram na ka benta ki kelong Eastern West kedai pendai ketak district keban lam lenti syakman ban pentelun ya kata ke development kaba mangi borok nisu ya keren hayau hahan henry ke sorkar kalong kaban betin lenti ya pi nang ni syakman na ai kublei yang BDO bat ke tim Jongpi do nang ya traishi kam pet bakini ki pai ba kinom pelut ya kabai kali benwan seselong ban ya kendu ini abadon gajing khot ini sini kini ki kamra kinde ki caka ka bangila ban ya selok bat kinong song snong nakapor sakapor ban sngam bat ban kren ye ki jing ki Jongpi.
I also would like to take this opportunity to of course thank our PM of Hima Nongklao and would like to share with him that there was a proposal that was given for the improvement of the office of the Hima Nongklao and I'm happy to inform him that we have sanctioned 58 lakhs for that, and that work is going to start very soon. Apart from that, we have also sanctioned, or the DPR has been prepared, DPR has been prepared at about 1.8 crores for the second phase of improvement of the Hima Nongklao office infrastructure, based on the proposals that you had given to us. So this is a good opportunity for me to share that 58 lakhs, 58 lakhs, has been sanctioned for the first phase, and 1.8 crores for the second phase for your infrastructure. And I'm sure that this will go a long way in not just helping the office bearers of the Hima Nongklao, but more importantly, it will go a long way for them to be able to serve in a better manner to the people of the area and this region. And this again goes in line with our thought process that we need to build up the administration at every level. So therefore the Hima Nongklao is a very, very important traditional institution, and it requires the necessary infrastructure. And I've seen that in most of the different Himas, the infrastructure is not there for them to be able to serve at the level that they should be because of constraint of space and infrastructure. Therefore, while the government offices are improving, government offices, more and more new buildings are coming up, we realize that we need to support our traditional heads and traditional institutions also, and therefore we have given to others also. Many of the other Himas we have sanctioned. So as I said, I'm happy that for Hima Nongklao also we are sanctioning 58 lakhs, and the second phase, another 1.8 crores in the second phase will be sanctioned. And now that the infrastructure and the roads have improved drastically in the last many years, we are seeing a huge inflow of tourists that's coming in. And therefore this will require better infrastructure for tourism to be promoted out here, and also will require a proper training to be done in terms of our youngsters, so that we're able to provide the service to our tourists and also create livelihood for the young citizens and youth of this region.